Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy, and tonight we are checking out a patron request with Orden Ogan. Um, their song Gunman. We did one reaction of them, and I liked what I heard. So it's kind of cool to be able to dive in and hear more from them. I hope that you all are doing well. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, I'm just a guy that loves music and I love connecting with people, and I believe music is a bridge for us to connect. This channel is a place that hopefully encourages you, lifts you up, and just lets you know that you're not alone. You know, we check out a lot of music here, and it's been a great journey. We're coming up on a year of The Wolf and the Melody. So, y'all, thank you so much for sticking with me. And let's go. The Gunman. Oh, real quick, name the best Western. Love that. What is that instrument? Damn. They're like, we can't see shit.
Who's there?
Dude, this was so fun. Just, oh, the music was incredible. Just loved the riffs, loved just the energy. I love the flow of the song, man. That chorus was just so big and epic. It was awesome. The video was, I was so invested. I'm like, oh man, what's happening? What's happening? You know, it was really cool. I love the character design, and I liked how everybody looked. I thought it was really awesome. This was really fun, really fun. Just straightforward. It was just a great song. It had great leads, great just everything. This was a good freaking time. But seriously, I want to know what's y'all's favorite Western, and props that if you say Wyatt Earp with Kevin Costner, I like that more than Tombstone. There, I said it. It's a hot take. I would rather watch Wyatt Earp with Kevin Costner than Tombstone with Kurt Russell. All right. Anyway, they're both great, but Wyatt Earp is better. Y'all, thank you so much for being here. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram. As always, keep your head up. Keep going one day at a time. I say direction over speed because direction is everything, and that has been really big for me. I have been saying that a lot to myself. I have to remind myself just to keep going. You know, a big thing that I've been thinking about, and I've said this before, is like delayed gratification. You have to just keep going, keep moving forward, and realize if I'm consistent, we're going to get through. You know what I mean? So, I appreciate you all. And stay lovely, stay metal. And until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.